They did not kill him because he was loud. They killed him because he existed. This story will hurt because it is not really about a rooster. Stay with me. Once upon a time, in a small village, a man brought home a rooster from the market. Strong, alert, full of life. Every morning, before the sun even rose, that rooster crowed. Loud, proud, natural. The whole village woke up. People complained to the owner. The rooster was only doing what roosters do. A few days passed. Then, one morning, a strange thought entered the owner's mind. I do not want this rooster anymore. But there was a problem. The rooster had done nothing wrong, and killing it without a reason felt uncomfortable. So the man started looking for an excuse. The next morning, the owner walked up. He said, "From tomorrow, do not crow. You ruin my sleep. The whole neighborhood blames me. If you do not listen, I will kill you." The rooster was shook. Crowing was its nature, its identity, its whole reason for being. But fear of death is stronger than habit. So the next morning, the rooster stayed silent. No crow. But out of old habit, it lightly moved its wings. The owner watched from behind the wall. His plan failed. He was furious. He came out shouting, "From tomorrow, do not move your wings either. If you do, you are dead." The next morning, no crow, no wings. But the rooster's neck stretched slowly forward, that same natural movement it had made every day of its life. Old habits do not die easy. No cap. The owner saw this and exploded. "From tomorrow, your neck should not move either, not even a little, or tomorrow is your last day." The next morning, the rooster sat quietly in a corner, shivering. No crow, no wings, no neck movement. Something heavy pressed down on its chest. Its identity was being crushed, one piece at a time. The rooster was alive, but it had become nothing more than a silent shadow. Still, the owner was not satisfied, because when someone wants to kill, they do not need a reason. They create one. That day, the owner came again, cold, cruel. He said, "From tomorrow, start laying eggs. If you do not, I will kill you for sure." The rooster froze. Tears rolled down its face. Its body trembled. The owner laughed. "Why are you crying? Are you afraid of dying?" The rooster lowered its head and whispered to itself, "I am not afraid of death. I am sad because I tried everything to please you by hiding who I am. My crow was my identity. I gave it up. Then I gave up my wings. Then even my neck. Today, I learned one thing. When someone has already decided to destroy you, bowing down never saves you. I should have died crowing loudly. At least my identity would have survived." This story teaches us something painful. When someone wants to destroy you, your silence will not protect you. Losing your voice to please others is a slow death. Your identity, your values, your voice, never surrender them out of fear, because sometimes fighting back saves you. And even if it does not, it saves your self-respect. Staying quiet in front of someone who steals your identity is also a kind of death. Never lose who you are. No cap. That is the whole thing. When someone wants to destroy you, your silence will not protect you. Never surrender your identity. Your voice is your identity. Losing it to please others is a slow death. Never lose who you are. No cap. That is the whole thing. Your support gives us strength to create more stories. Please follow Tales by Motivation and watch more stories. Every day, a new lesson waits. Share this with someone who needs this today. See you in the next story.